Hi, welcome to my channel, Danny Nicole Fitness. I am so excited that you are here and that you are going to be working out with me and allowing me to be a part of your health and fitness journey. So that being said, my goal for 2020 was to produce more content and to be more available to help answer any questions you all might have in regards to food and fitness alike. So don't forget to utilize that comment space below for questions if you have any. Otherwise, I say let's get started with our first workout of 2020. Your first exercise is a squat and press with one dumbbell. You will do 10 to 20 reps based on your fitness level. You will exhale up from the squat while pressing the dumbbell overhead, engaging your core and locking your elbows out fully. When you sit back, get your legs at 90-degree angles in the knees, thighs parallel to the ground. Inhale down and exhale up. Your second exercise is a kickstand deadlift and bicep curl. If your right leg is doing the deadlift, then your left leg acts as a kickstand with a staggered step behind your right leg. This helps keep balance and form. As you come up from the deadlift, with your opposite arm, do a bicep curl. Inhale as you reach down for the ground and exhale as you curl the dumbbell up. Complete 10 to 20 reps on each leg. Your third exercise is a chest press and reach up. You'll take the dumbbell from directly over your chest and reach all the way up for your toes. You'll squeeze biceps, pecs, and abs as you reach up. Exhale up and inhale down. Complete 20 reps. Your final exercise is 10 to 20 glute bridge hold and tricep extensions. While holding your glutes up, keeping your core engaged, do a tricep extension by reaching for the back of the head with the dumbbell, then fully extending the elbows again and squeezing the back of the arms.